Niue, the most incredible place you've probably never heard of. I could tell you that it's taken us over 3 years and 12,000 nautical miles to get here, that we've battled Mother Nature, basked in her glow, and now we're here to reap our rewards. But that would be a slight exaggeration. The reality is, we set out to discover places we didn't know existed, and this is one of them. Spoiler alert, it's by far the most incredible place we'd never heard of. Our friends of Get About, they're somewhere right back here. We're here when we got here. We met them in Palmerston. And they have a car for today and have invited us to go out exploring with them. So that is what we're doing today. Niue is one of the least protected anchorages in the South Pacific, with no beaches or soft landings. Even cruise ships can struggle to bring passengers ashore because of bad weather or sea conditions.
Okay, let's go up.
Now this is a first. The only way to get ashore is to go up, and the only safe place to leave a dinghy is on land. At least we can add crane operator to our resumes. We've made it to our first little stop for the day. I'm pretty excited because the couple we met on the way, they were just leaving as we were getting here, and they're like, oh, it's so awesome down there. This whole island, or atoll I suppose, is just caves and cliffs and pools, and I'm pretty stoked to be here. Oh, okay. How sweet is this?
Right?
It's like instantly in another world.
Tiniest little steps ever. That's cool.
How freaking cool is this?
Yeah.
Right? I think this is amazing.
The sound and the view. Just spectacular. Jeez, this is cool.
Yeah. I think we're gonna struggle to leave this place. I don't even know where to focus. I don't even know what to look at. Everything.
Oh my god, that water is like ridiculously clear. Holy cow. That's amazing. Can snorkel without even getting in the water.
I know. Yeah, that's a little, just a tad bit tickly. Yeah, brisk.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They weren't lying.
Is this not the most romantic thing you have ever seen? No, you just got spit on your face. It's a very sinister laugh. Because the entire island is made of limestone coral, it's littered with rocky coves and caves. supposedly the most spectacular and extensive cave system in the South Pacific. It's all about timing here, and specifically low tide. As the water recedes, pools are revealed. This one is where ancient kings once bathed and performed traditional cannonball rituals.
Man, first day, first stop, and I'm already freaking in love with this place. Hello. So cool.
Trying to plan out air to get airfare.
Lunchtime! Okay, we need some perspective here because this place is off the charts good. Niue is a tiny chunk of coral protruding in the middle of the South Pacific. It's home to 1,600 people, and getting here isn't exactly easy. You have two options. Hop on one of only 2 flights a week from New Zealand, or sail from Samoa, Tonga, or the Cook Islands like the first inhabitants did a little over 1,000 years ago. We took this method, albeit in a slightly more modern vessel. It's not the easiest place to get to, but the journey is so worth it. This place is a self-guided explorer's dream. We have a lovely little map littered with trails, caves, and chasms. There are signs and stories at each stop, and the trails are mostly easy to follow.
Do you know what to say?
Yeah, this is the something with the T arches, and it's been famous ever since they put it on the stamp, the Niue and stamp. That's what the sign said.
It is what the sign said. And I, looking at the little board, reminds me of like Zion National Park in Utah. So I'm pretty stoked. It looks, yeah, like not, I don't know, not like any of the other tropical islands we've been to, I'll say that. Right?
Well, she's getting confused. This is the arches this way, and the chasm's the other way. The chasm looks like Zion, this looks like arches.
But no, the arches too. Like Arches National Park, Zion, like the rock formations.
Yeah, that's true, okay.
I'm like confused. See?
Is it?
I swear. Ha! It was!
No.
It's a little one.
That was just a regular land crab. I don't want to be a naysayer, but I'm pretty sure it was just a regular land crab.
Oh. Baby or junior, but he's blue like the other one. It's getting, ooh, very jungly. I mean, getting,
Trail.
oh, well. Apparently I'm not on the trail anymore, and that would be why it's getting so jungly.
Follow the crab.
Get distracted by one crab, and you get lost in the jungle. Okay. Oh. Arrow. Okay, yeah.
There you go.
Follow the sign.
Not the crab.
Not the crab.
It's getting good.
I think we have arrived.
Yeah. Wow.
Yo, watch your head. This is like Concussion City. Or Concussion Cave.
And cut.
Yeah. So freaking cool. Doesn't it just make you excited?
Wow. That's crazy.
I can't stop grinning.
And Yes! If it wasn't so windy, we'd fly the drone. Uh-oh. This is why they tell you to come at low tide. We missed low tide by about 2 hours.
Yeah, they kind of really meant that.
Yeah, otherwise you can't walk down here. That's so cool.
So powerful.
Coming.
Boom. I think this is our cue to go. Or we're gonna get stuck here, but not in a good way. This is beautiful meets creepy meets jungle
It's incredible.
meets incredible. Yeah, it is so many things. There is a massive hole.
What she said. Oh yeah, do not fall down.
Oh, there's a big crab down there. You see it?
Yep.
That looks like it could be coconut crab size.
No, regular crab. I'm zoomed in.
Dang it.
Yeah.
This is a very sad moment. Ugh. These shoes. I've loved these shoes. And they have been with me. They got them in Florida. We've been to Panama. We've been to the top of the cloud forest. We've been on coffee farms. We've been on glaciers in Ecuador. We have been on coral atolls in the middle of the South Pacific. And it's sadly, I think, time to say our goodbyes. Oh, I'm not gonna have any hiking shoes. Oh, this is. Oh.
I'll give you a piggyback ride.
Okay, we'll make it.
Good hike though.
That was an excellent hike. 2 thumbs up.
2.
Don't say, darling, 'cause you'll fake it. Don't hide the tears, 'cause I know you're breaking. All this love and all this pain you've given.
Smells like barbecue.
All this love and all this pain, you bring them from another world.
We are up before the sun. Big
Wow.
adventure day plan.
The sun's coming out now.
I was up before the sun. That's all that counts. We got a taste with our friends of Niue, and it was freaking amazing. And then we got the bad news that the weather is not looking so hot.
No.
Literally directly from the west.
And we're in an exposed anchorage. And so sadly every boat here and every boat that's arriving is trying to figure out, oh, this is fantastic. So we get like 1 day and then we have to leave.
Oh man, so we're gonna try to get a rental car and see everything, and there's so much to do here. There's like all these caves and all these like plunge pools and
it's so much. This is probably one of the most incredible, like, self-guided wonderlands that we've been to, and this is like going to be the shortest stay we've had anywhere.
And the food is good.
It's the saddest thing in the whole world.
You want to stay here for all 30 days.
I know. And we can't. We have to leave because of the weather. It's going to be too nuts. Even the yacht club, everybody, I mean, it's well documented.
You gotta go.
If there happens to be a rare westerly blow, you can't stay here.
There's a westerly blow, you gotta go. And that's only with 2 sips of coffee.
Oh, so I'm feeling very rushed.
Yep.
And tired.
Yeah. But excited.
We're gonna do this. Right after 2 more cups of coffee.